Yep, if I can get one photo. You go. There we go. Thanks.
There you go, there you go. Good save. Keep holding, keep holding. So these guys are monogamous and so one of my favorite things to talk about with these guys is that they're actually only semi-aquatic. So when you think of otters, you think of a fully aquatic animal, but they're only on land about half of the time and water about half of the time. These guys can climb, which is a very unique thing to their species. If you look at their paws, their front paws are a lot less rubbed than their back paws, which gives them the ability to be more dexterous. So these guys can actually pick up things and grab things a little bit more than some other species can. Before I continue on, what do you guys know about otters?
Love the family structure that they have.
Okay. So, family structure is very, very family oriented.
They like rocks.
They like rocks.
They're hunters.
They're hunters. Very good. So usually when I ask that, I get three things. I get the rocks. I get that they float on their backs and they hold hands. And so what's really funny about those three facts is that those are all for the sea otter. The sea otter is the only species. No ma'am. No ma'am. Oh, thank you. The sea otter is the only species that can float. Every other species has to actively be swimming or they are going to sink. Keep that in mind for the pool. Okay? And we're going to swim. Come on, girls. Good, good. Hey. Can you get stuff? Good job. All right. Good one. Give me a good one. Good job. All right, I'm going to scoot you over that way just a little bit. You can drop the board. There you go. Hold. Alright, ready, set, go. Good job, your face. Say, woo! Yay, Noah! Okay, why are you so facing? There you go.
Smile over here.
Thank you. Alright, really quickly, if you want to give him a pet, you can actually pull his fur backwards as well. Oh, sorry, bud. Is that not the coolest?
Yeah, it's a lot softer than you would expect.
Alright, so really quickly, go ahead, take that boogie board and stand next to him. That way. Keep holding. Keep holding. There you go.
Oh my god.
I love you.
Good job, Noah!
Noah, yay!
Good job.
You got two.
No faces. Go in the water a little bit more. Fly him, fly him, fly him. There you go. Sorry. There we go. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, keep holding. Good job. Good job.